Do you have a solar system that needs repair, testing, inspection, servicing? Give us a call. We specialise heavily in solar system testing, repairs, maintenance, servicing. We can do reports for insurance. We can do thermal image testing on the panels if you require that. All our technicians are qualified electricians with CEC accreditation, which is Clean Energy Council accreditation, which means they're approved solar installers. So they all know their stuff. They really are experts in the solar field. We can give you options for replacing inverters, repairing damaged isolators. We can do system testing. So if you are in need or you are looking to have your system checked, give us a call. We're happy to help. We'll send a technician out quick because we know that solar issues are priority when it's costing you money. So yeah, if you do need a solar electrician, don't hesitate to give us a call.